Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about imposter syndrome and mobile bartending. Okay, so you're probably going to see me looking down a little bit because I have taken lots and lots of notes. So let's get started. Now, imposter syndrome can sometimes dredge up if you just figure or came up with the ideal of starting a mobile bartending company, right? But you've never bartended before, you've never taken a class, you've never worked in a bar or restaurant in any capacity. You probably have never even made a drink before, except for, yourself at home. So starting a company serving drinks, and especially if you are bringing this up to friends and other people and they're like, well, you've never even done this before. Where did that come from? How are you going to do that? And then you start to question or doubt yourself, and then you just automatically don't do it. Well, we as human beings, we have this capacity to learn new skills and apply them each and every day. So it doesn't matter if you have never worked in a bar or taken a bartending class or any of that good stuff. None of that matters if you want to start a mobile bartending company. If you want to start one, then start it. You can come to this channel. You can go to basics in bartending and learn some stuff. You can practice. There's lots of other videos on YouTube you can go to. You can get online and learn drinks. I learned a lot of the drinks that I knew working in a bar, but I learned them basically by taking the recipes home and memorizing them. Not even getting the ingredients and making the drink itself. Because I started out as a server, so I wasn't making drinks. And the only reason why I wanted to learn the drinks so I would be able to tell the clients, the customers, what was in the drinks. And all I did for that was print out the ingredients and memorize them. That was it. When I got behind the bar, repetition is what taught me. Okay? Now, so nothing should stop you. If this is what you want to do, then you need to do it. Nothing should stop you. And I know a lot of people, I've had a lot of people tell me, well, Nikki, I've never done this before. So where do I start? Well, you just start. You just start. You can go back to one of my videos. I think it's entitled How to Start a Mobile Bartending Business with or Without Experience. Just go check it out. Go check it out. It's not hard, guys. It's not rocket science. Now, you also could be feeling this way if you are already a mobile bartender, but business has severely slowed down for you. You're not really booking clients the way you want to. The business is not coming in. You feel like you're spinning your wheels. You feel like nothing is happening. You feel like, well, maybe I shouldn't be doing this. Maybe I'm not good at this just because I worked at a certain place or I took a bartending class, then maybe I'm just not good at this because I can't get clients. Well, that can be for a number of reasons. Now, one reason can be that you're not marketing enough. You're not marketing enough and you are not putting yourself out there enough. You have to let people know that you are a business. This is what you do. You can't sporadically show up online. You can't sporadically show up online every so often. Like I go through my Instagram a lot. Even though I spend a lot of my time here on YouTube now, I do go through Instagram a lot and I look at the mobile bartenders that follow me. And I look at some of their pages, and a lot of them hasn't posted since like May. It's August. That's one reason why you're probably not getting clientele. And word of mouth is great, it's awesome, but you cannot solely rely on word of mouth. Because I'm quite sure you've done a few events and you've asked clients for reviews and you probably have yet to get them. You have to put yourself out there. You have to promote. And you don't have to promote in a skeezy sell type way. You just have to let people know that you are an option in your city. Let them know you're an option. How do you do that? You market. You show up online. You make drinks. You let people know about the newest drinks on the, like this new spirits on the market. Let people know about that. Show people how to make different types of drinks with one spirit, you know, something they probably wouldn't even think of. Just get really creative, and the people that is meant to find you will find you, because you can't just sit on your thumbs and wait for clients to come get you. That's not going to work. You have to put yourself out there. You have to put yourself out there. And another way to put yourself out there is networking. Go to pop-up shops. Do bridal shows. Put yourself out there. Contact venues. Contact other wedding vendors, other event vendors, you know, DJs, photographers, wedding planners, event planners. Get out there and get yourself known in your city. Volunteer for charity events. All of this can lead up to you getting more leads. All of that. Okay? So, like I said, in every business, there's going to be a feeling of imposter syndrome. It is what it is. You're going to doubt yourself sometimes. Just don't stay in that energy. If you were called to do something, or you really want to do something, then you have to stick it out. Even when you feel like it's not working for you, or you don't know how to start, how to do, then you research. You research. Read. Pick up cocktail books. You know, you can go to places like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all these places, and go in the back where they have the glasses and all the, you know, all the houseware stuff. 9 times out of 10, they also have cocktail books back there. Lots of them. I have one up here I think I got from TJ Maxx. But they have cocktail books. Just go learn. Go sit to a bar. You know, drink, eat, and watch the bartender. But don't give up. If it's something you want to do not give up. And if you're not getting clients, get creative. Start marketing, especially now. I know that we are in a recession, but that ain't never stopped people from partying. And just because we are in a recession does not mean that everybody is in debt or broke. So that's another thing too. Like, you don't want to market your business because you feel like, well, people don't have money. Everybody's not broke. People are still living their normal lives. People are still spending money. They're still spending money. They're still going on about their merry way, celebrating weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, and you need to be in on that. Okay? All right, guys, so if you have any questions, put them below in the comment box and I will answer them for you. Also, if you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe. Also, guys, I do have a masterclass coming up on August the 11th where we are going to be talking about pricing, marketing, and booking more clients. If you're having issues in this area, it is $47. You need to be in the masterclass. If you are busy that night, there will be a replay. So if you purchase at $47, the replay will automatically be sent to your email. Now, if you wait until after the class, the replay is going to be $249. Why, Nikki? Why is it going to be so much higher? Because the information in there is going to change the way you do your business, for one. And for two, how do they put that saying, guys? The early bird gets the worm. Okay? $47 for the masterclass. I will put the link below for you to I'll put the information in the description, and I'll also put the link underneath it. So if you want to go ahead and sign up, please do go ahead and sign up. If, like I said, if you're feeling like you shouldn't be doing mobile bartending, or it's not working for you, and you're already in business, and just because business has slowed down for you, this is the masterclass for you. Okay, I think we have about 47. No. Let me look before I tell you. Oh no, we have 28 slots left. I have 28 slots left, okay? And like I said, we'll be teaching pricing, marketing, and booking more clients. So if you want in on that, click the link below and get in on it. All right, guys, if you are not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe so you can catch every video that I put out. I have been slacking a little bit because I've actually been getting ready for the masterclass. So you should get videos for the next several days from me. So go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know every time one is posted. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Make good choices. See you later.